Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. Well, we're here at Rockwood Flagstaff, Millersburg, Indiana, checking out some 2027 prototypes. Yep. So, Tina, what are we looking at now?
This is a Rockwood Mini Lite prototype of a 2525RB. I did look at it because it's so new. So this is a different floor plan. So let's check it out. Come on.
All righty, let's get this tour started. And I'm going to put all of the specs down below in the box if I could find them. This is so new. But let's start off at the front cap here. Rockwood Flagstaff, they do such a great job. One-piece fiberglass front cap, automotive windshield, nice diamond rock guard here. Lippert, they're providing Rockwood Flagstaff with this powder-coated frame. And back here we have room for 2 lead-acid batteries, room for 2 30-pound propane tanks. And Tina, this is new for 2027. We have the BL 5.3 auto leveling system on Ellie. This is now an upgraded version. This has the exact auto level, so it works a little bit quicker. Here's the other thing. This is an option for the Mini Lite, I should mention.
Yeah.
As a standard, you're gonna get the Lippert PSX2 stabilizers. So that's another important thing to mention. So let's come along the side here, Teen. One of the big things I wanted to point out, look at the body change here, what they've done with the skirting. They removed and got rid of that metal piece that was here. So it's just so much nicer, cleaner look. Go up top and take a look here, Teen. Nice big awning. Check out this interior here. Of course, we got our stuff there. Look at the amount of storage in there.
Yeah,
which is
nice.
Pretty incredible. And standard on this unit, of course, is going to be a 1800 watt inverter, 200 watt solar up on the roof, and then on the side here, if you needed to add a solar panel, you can do that as well. The other thing, check out this. This is really kind of neat. Of course, you got this baggage door here. You open this up. Wait, there's no baggage in here. You have a refrigerator, which is nice. Here's another neat thing. I'm going to go ahead and bring this out. Look at this. So you bring that out to there, grab a hold of this. You're going to bring this down, and then your hose will plug into the LP disconnect that's right over there. And you could set up some tables here, and you can do your grilling and everything.
And you can still open the refrigerator door once the grill.
Get your
nice.
Drink or whatever. It's kind of a really neat feature. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? Do you like that? And then we got to bring that in and lock that, and boom. Kind of clean, easy to put away. Range exhaust up there. Here's some windows, your Suburban furnace. I really like this exterior panel. Easily to remove. You can inspect things, look at stuff. Power right here. Cable satellite. A rail if you want to put a shelf here. Television. This unit has the Curt suspension underneath here. So I'm not sure if they're going to go with this. May have to find out and post something later. Keep an eye out. Not exactly sure. But that is definitely a beefy suspension for sure. And these aggressive off-road Goodyear tires. Of course, TPMS system. So let's continue along over here, Tina. Our door here, friction hinge. More rides, step above. Steps with the gas shock assist or lift assist. And the other thing I want to mention is this Stromberg rail, which I like as well. I like this. It has this yellow here, so if this is out and it catches your eye, so you're not going to be running into it, go ahead and easily close it. No pin, so it has this clip here. Just snap it in. Easy peasy.
Yeah, we have that on
I like
Ellie,
this.
and we love that.
It is very nice for sure. Let's continue along. On the back side here, another awesome feature for 2027.
Back up.
We have rear tail lights now, these large strip lights. You're prepped up top for a camera. Here's your water hookup, city water connection, your black tank flush, antifreeze inlet, outdoor shower, hot and cold water, has that curly hose with a little spray that you like. Nice ladder here, 250-pound capacity. And if you look at the hitch down here, this is a 300-pound capacity. I really like the hitch that they used. It's welded to the frame. Another nice feature as well. Tina, we're talking about our water hookup and everything. Another neat feature for 2027 is they have the exterior water filter. So back when we had Bell and we had to go underneath the bathroom counter, and we ended up having to take that canister. This does not have a canister. It's a quarter turn. Let me go get it. Okay, so I'm back. We have our PWP canister filter, and you just simply install that quarter turn and then bring it down in here, and it lives happily inside of that. Come time when you want to winterize a unit, go ahead and remove it. When you remove it, it automatically bypasses and allows your antifreeze to flow right through there. So it's a simple system to use for sure. I'm gonna go put this away. And right next door to our filter is our water heater. That's a Suburban water heater. And then right below the water heater, here's your gray tank, black tank drain. And right here's your gray tank drain. That's your black tank drain. And of course, all of these tanks are gonna have heat pads on there that are thermostatically controlled. And here's another look at the Curt suspension system. Look at that beefy suspension system. And here's your rack and pinion slide. So right here on the slide, here's a door, and you've got some nice storage up here. It goes up sort of high, and this is right behind the refrigerator.
Yeah, that does good. It's nice.
Some more frameless windows here. Your gray tank number 2 drain, that's gonna be right underneath here. And I could show you that. That's right over there. Your fresh water tank drain, that's gonna be right underneath there. Here's your freshwater tank fill. And of course, access to the other side of the storage.
Yep.
And then right here's your dock light switch.
Cool.
So Tina, that wraps up the exterior. Why don't you show us what the interior looks like?
Okay.
Alrighty, so here's another look at the exterior of the 2525RB. And I tell you what, I really like the look of that. That is nice. Let's see what Tina's up to.
Come on inside, but before you do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So right as you walk in, you're going to notice that they now have the Power Pro panel like we have in Ellie. This is pretty slick. It's voice command, very cool. Up here you have your solar controller, and look at this great floor plan. Right as you walk in, you've got this bar area where you can sit down and eat or play games or what have you. I like this. I love these seats. I think this is great space. Look at this kitchen. Look how much prep space you have. I like this a lot. So it has a television up here, and it also has this power tower here, which comes up and you can plug in stuff, but even when it's down like this, you can set your phone on it and charge. Very cool. So as we walk further into the kitchen, we've got our microwave up here, Magic Chef microwave. You've got your hood, and you've got your stove, and you've got your oven. Look at that nice big oven. We've got cabinet space down here. Nice deep cabinet space here. And then we're going to turn this way. We've got a cabinet up here that goes all the way back here. And yes, these are solid wood doors, and more cabinet space above the sink. Nice big deep basin sink. I like this. This is what we have in Ellie. I like this a lot. And it does have, it is winterized, so it has the balloons on there. So I'm going to put that back. 2 outlets here. We do have space for your scrub brushes here, as well as a drawer space here and this drawer here. And then it also has this extension, although with all this counter space, I'm not so sure you're going to need it. But look at that. You could put this up here when you're doing dishes, or if you just need more prep space. And look, it does not really block the doorway at all. So I like that. This is actually nice. I might leave that up. So below it, you do have your fireplace. They always find a really cool spot to put the fireplace. And you know I like my fireplace. So across from the fireplace and the television set, you got your theater seating here. Look at all these cup holders, and you do have some space in the armrest here. Then up above, we do have more cabinet space, and these do stay open, which is really nice. This is a tap light here. There we go. And then these close, soft close. There is an outlet back there too. I just noticed that. That's a good spot. Nice windows. And then over here, next, I'm going to, in your face. Here's your pantry. Look how deep that is. Lots of space in there for canned goods or what have you. And they do have the Magic Chef refrigerator that opens this way as well as this way. So we've got that, and it does have the drawer freezer. So as we work our way back here, on the wall over here is the remote control and thermostat for the Furrion Chill Cube air conditioning system, which is now standard in the GeoPros and Mini Lites. Very interesting. And then you've got the Coleman Mach thermostat over here for your heating system. So as we work our way back here, this has that sliding barn door for the bathroom for the privacy. I really like that. That gives you more space. You're not dealing with the door opening and closing. And then you can latch it for travel mode. So in here, we're going to go this way, Tony. Look at this giant mirror. I love the size of this mirror. This is huge. So big cabinet, medicine cabinet inside there. Got a cabinet under here with a good sized cubby for stuff. And then you have, I'm going to take this. Look at all of that linen closet space. Look how deep that is. That's cool. And then down here is your false panel to get to your water lines, I would imagine. Mm-hmm. So your toilet, you know what? I didn't sit down in the toilet on the other one. We've got plenty of space. So here you have your shower tri-slide series. So you get inside here. Look how nice and tall this is. You do have the skylight above, and it does have your shower miser. And this is nice size shower. I like this. So we come out here, and I'm going to go past Tony into the bedroom here. Nice size queen bed, full size queen. You've got your television set over there. And look at all this cabinet space. Because it's bumped out, you have all this space up here. Look at this. Look how far back that goes. That's going to hold a lot of stuff. You also have your wardrobe here. And a drawer here as well. There's your inverter. A cubby space there, and there's a light switch. I'm going to take this. There's a light switch, a USB port, as well as a switch there. And then you have these great little reading lights. So here we have the blackout shade to block out any light, day or night. I just made a rhyme. And then over here we've got more wardrobe space and drawer space. And then underneath the bed is more storage space.
And so check out that aluminum frame construction, of course. Yep.
And then under here, you've got more drawer space. A lot of room. And what we didn't show you too is there is a sliding door here as well to block out what's going on in the other rooms. In case you wanted to take a nap while people are watching TV.
Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining, possibly. Appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground. TNT.